Bola Tinubu in big problem as EFCC intercepts 32.4 million naira ahead of election. The Economy and Financial Crime Commission on Friday intercepted the sum of 32.4 million naira, allegedly suspected to be used for vote buying in Lagos State. The spokesperson for EFCC, Wilson, revealed that the recovery was made by operative of the Lagos Zone Command. He noted that the suspects involved have been taken into custody for further questioning. EFCC Chairman Bola has employed all personnel of the commission to deploy for election monitoring duty to show courage and not give room for any evil person to undermine the integrity of the election through financial argument. Telephone hotline has already been in circulation through social media of the member of the public to share information regarding election malpractice with the agent of the commission. Details of the number are available on social media of the EFCC platform.
My name is Abdurrashid Bawa, the Executive Chairman, Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. I want to use this medium to urge all Nigerians to eschew all manner of electoral fraud, either through vote buying, vote selling, or fraudulent manipulations of electoral processes. I'm fully persuaded that we can run our electioneering processes devoid of any form of criminality. Let us all be committed to a free, fair, and credible dealings in the exercise of our democratic rights. Thank you.
Report any electoral fraud to the following numbers.
This is OĽUA TV Watch. My name remains OĽUA Festus, and don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.